I got your present.
I got the present.
Open it. Rip it. Can Mommy help? Let me see, I'll help you. Let me see it. Hurry.
Yeah.
Let me get it started for you, okay?
What is it?
I don't know. Here.
I guess.
Open it up. What's in there? What is it? What's that? I don't know. Get it out. And what's in that? Open that box up. Wait, hey. Open that box up. What'd you get? Let me see. What is it?
Kitty. And
Bear talk.
a
Peanut.
peanut.
How random is Grandpa?
I got peanut.
What else is in there?
I don't know.
Is there anything else in the box?
Yeah. Oh, good. I guess.
What are they?
I don't know.
You don't know? They're picture frames to go in your room with pictures of you and Grandpa and Grandma in them.
What is that? Eat. What's it?
It's candy.
Open them.
Hold on. Open the other little box right there. No, not that one. The one right by your leg. There you go. Open that.
What's in there? What's in
I
here?
don't know. Find out. Wow! Is that like the truck Grandpa was driving in that video?
Yeah.
Cool! What do you say?
Thank you, Grandpa.
What do you say to Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Say I love
I
you.
love you. I got peanut.
Yeah, you got a peanut. Say bye. You gonna say bye?